Hi, welcome to the 2020 Curriculum Night. My name is Brian Socker. I will be your child's math and science teacher this year. First, let me start off by saying that I'm very excited to be teaching your child this year. They are off to a great start and are adjusting to this challenging school year quite well. What I'd like to do is take a few minutes to go over my Schoology page for math and science. First, for math, I have my daily schedule, which has the times for the live streams for math and science, as well as a Google Meet link that'll take them directly to the meeting where all they need to do is type in the Google Meet nickname, Soccer 102, and that will take them into the Google Meet or the lesson. Also, I have a folder for sixth grade math course, which has some general information where the student or yourself can view the math syllabus. Also, I have my office hours on Wednesdays or my help sessions. Help sessions does not have to just be on Wednesdays. I've told the kids that if they need help outside of Wednesday, obviously to reach out to me and we can set up a Google Meet. They have directions to MathXL. MathXL is an online program where the students will have a weekly math homework assignment, and you will see on School Tool that you'll see right now MathXL number 1, 2, and 3. Those are the grades so far for MathXL. That's a weekly online math assignment that I give where I sign it on Monday and it is due Friday. And it usually varies from 10 to maybe 15 questions. Every day the students will have a daily warm-up, and they will have a weekly quiz grade for the warm-up. So each day the warm-up is graded, and at the end of the week, I will take the average of the warm-ups and give the student a quiz grade for the warm-ups. Our daily lesson folder, right now we're in hands-on equations. Within hands-on equations folder, for example, the week of October 19th to the 23rd, each week is set up the same way, where it has Monday through Friday, and within the each folder will have the live stream video, as well as any important homework assignment or any important information they need for that particular day. Going to science, you will see it looks very similar to the math, where I have my daily schedule. Again, live stream, what time the students need to be on, as well as the Google Meet link and the nickname to get into the meeting. Within the sixth grade science course, that folder also has the syllabus as well as the office hours. It is the same one that you would see in the math, but this is, so to be consistent, I put it in the science as well. This is the current unit we're in, just like math with hands-on equations. Science, we're in the energy, forces, and motion unit. So here the students will find the daily lessons. They just need to find the week. And just like math, it's Monday through Friday. And this is where they, again, can find all the Google Slides, any videos, or any other important information for that particular day. One other thing I'd like to mention is School Tool. That is where assignments and grades are kept. If you are not able to get onto School Tool, please contact the counseling office and they will be able to assist you so you are able to get on and see your child's any assignments they have completed and the grade that they have received for it. Thank you for your time. And again, I'm looking forward to a great year with this sixth grade crew. And again, thank you very much.